Should you trade Forex in 2021? One of the most common questions, right? Where should I go and make money in 2021 or starting 2022 online, working from home? Where can I actually start making money? And whenever you look for making money online, you're always going to see Forex in any comment section or any topic covered whatsoever. So in this specific video, I'm going to tell you whether you should start trading Forex in 2021 or not. Hi everyone, this is Christian here on YouTube and welcome to a brand new video for the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you whether you should trade Forex in 2021 or not. But hey, if you're new to my channel and you're into binary options, Forex trading, crypto trading, or any type of making money online, then this channel is for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below and activate the notifications bell icon so that you get a notification of every new video that I upload. With that being said, let's jump into the video. The first question that you gotta ask yourself is, what is Forex? But hey, before I actually start giving you the information in this specific video, if by any chance you're a Forex beginner and you wanna learn all the basics in regards to Forex, 100% free, this week, I'm having a webinar in regards to Forex trading. So if you want to learn all the basics, I'm having the link in the description of this video so you can attend that webinar 100% free. And make sure you go fast because there are limited spots available to make it 100% free. So the link is in the description of this video. Make sure you join that webinar so that I can teach you all you need to know in regards to Forex. So what is Forex? Forex is the foreign exchange service, basically where you trade certain currency against another currency. So let's say I have $1 and I want to trade it against €1, right? So which one has a lot more or more value? Well, the euro, it's worth around $1.2, right? So obviously the euro is a lot more profitable. For instance, basically with Forex, all you need to do is actually trade in comparison with both of the currencies. Let me go ahead and jump into my screen in order to show you what I'm talking about. Right now, currently, I'm looking at Bitcoin against the US dollar. That's just one of the ways to actually look at a Forex exchange. Nevertheless, we're going to take a look at a lot more normal Forex pair, which is the euro against the US dollar, right? So basically what you do in all these graphics that you see right here is basically the euro going up against the US dollar. And that's basically what you trade on. So when you're trading Forex, all you need to do, or it sounds easy, right? But what you need to do is actually to predict where the movement of certain pairs are actually going to go. This is a pair. One currency and two currencies is just a pair. So basically, all you need to do is to determine, hey, when is the price going to go up? Or when is the price going to go down? Just as simple as that. And even though it sounds simple, obviously in practice is a lot more complicated and you need certain things in order to understand what to do. We call these things indicators, okay? Such as this one right here, this is RSI, this is stochastic oscillator, and this is awesome oscillator. So basically, you do need these things in order to understand where the market is actually going to start moving, right? But this is basically what Forex is. It's an exchange between currencies. Now, who controls Forex? This is a very important question because, yeah, it sounds good, but I mean, who's behind it, right? Nobody really owns Forex as itself. I mean, there is no one owner, but it is worldwide known that it is controlled by the big banks in the world. Okay, US bank, European banks, Swiss banks, all the banks that you can imagine, or the big banks, are the ones who controlled Forex. Now, what is it that they do? It's not that they manipulate the numbers, but it is the actual entity that is taking care of the actual like value of certain currencies. So for instance, the United States actually has control over the US dollar. The euro is owned by the European Union. Do you know what I mean? The Canadian dollar is owned by the Canadian government or the Canadian bank. Nobody actually owns it, but the ones who actually control the value of the currencies are the actual banks. Okay, so how do you know, like, just, you know, as an example, how do you know when a price actually can go up or down depending on the banks? This is a website called investing.com. And basically what they do is that they tell you what is going on with the actual currencies that we're looking at. For instance, if we actually go and take a look at tomorrow's news, today's Sunday at the time I'm recording this video, we're going to realize that they're talking about the Japanese yen. It says capacity utilization. This is an event taking place in regards to the Japanese yen. And it's basically tell you how volatile that coin or that currency is going to be based on those specific news. Take a look at it. Low volatility expected. However, if we actually go into here and we see the Australian dollar and we see that it says RBA meeting minutes. This event is actually, you don't really need to know all the events. You can actually click on them and see what is the event about. And it says the Reserve Bank of Australia monetary policy meeting minutes are a detailed record of the bank's most recent policy setting meeting, containing in-depth insights into the economic conditions that influence the rate decision. More dovish than expected minutes could be taken as negative bearish for the AUD or Australian dollar, while more hawkish than expected minutes could be taken as positive and bullish to AUD. Bullish basically means that the price will start going up. It's a bull candle. And bearish basically means that the price is going to go down. So basically, depending on what it happens in this meeting, the price of the Australian dollar, whether it's going to go down or is going to go up. So that's basically what you understand about the news, right? I don't want to confuse you with too much information, but it's really important that you understand this. So when you actually go and see this, it has 3 stars. And when you put your mouse on it, it says high volatility expected. That basically means that the price of this Australian dollar, it will be highly impacted by this specific event in the currency. Okay, so you can realize that it's not because because how many people are actually buying dollars? How many people are actually buying euros? No, this is actually handled or controlled by the actual banks. Okay, so at the moment that you see a huge jump in here is based on those events. Okay, in stocks, basically, if the more people buys a certain stock, the price goes up. This is not the same with Forex. Now, is trading Forex easy? And I want to say up front that it's not. Okay, it's simple, but it's not easy. The difference between simple and easy is that simple, it's basically means that you understand it fast. Okay, so this is what I have to do. Easy is that you're gonna get good results with no effort, but no, that's not the case. Okay, so yes, when you trade Forex, the concept, it's very simple. You need to determine when the price is gonna go down, and then you enter for a short position or actually a sell position, whatever you want to call it. And if the price goes down, then you make profit. And if the price goes in the opposite direction, then you lose money, right? So it's pretty simple to understand. Now, is it easy to determine where the price is going to go? Absolutely freaking no, right? So there are many stuff that you need to take in consideration, such as indicators, news, patterns in regards to the candlesticks, and you need to do some fundamental analysis and the technical analysis. Fundamental analysis is looking at the overall picture and understanding, for instance, Bitcoin is in an uptrend, so basically Bitcoin is going to go up. However, in the technical analysis is when you actually get the indicators, you put them in, and you're like, okay, so based on the indicators, at what time the price is going to start jumping, because you might enter either too late or too early and end up losing money. So yes, it is simple, yet it is not easy. Before I continue with this video, remember, the webinar that I'm going to have this week is going to teach you all of this in a bigger picture. So hopefully you understand it. This is going to be like a 15-minute video, while that training is about 1 hour training. So hopefully you can attend that webinar. Now, what type of trading can you do? There are many ways of making money with trading Forex, but you need to choose a way of trading. There are 4 types of traders that you can choose from: scalping trader, day trader, swing trader, okay, and the position trader. Scalping trader is basically those traders who trade with very short periods, okay? Usually they trade for like 15 minutes to 1 hour trades, and that's it. Then we have the day traders, where basically the name states because they place trades during the day, like they take the entire day for them to expire. Then we have the swing traders. Swing traders basically place trades for days or even weeks. So they place 3-4 positions during the entire month, and that's it. And then we have position traders, who basically place trades for more than 1 month. Okay, these are a little bit more as investors, but in the end of the day, they are online traders. Okay, now what is the difference between them is just the time frame and obviously the strategy that they're using. Usually, the longer the time frames, it's the more fundamental analysis you need to do. Scalping traders don't care about where the euro is going to be in 1 year. They just care about where the euro against the dollar is going to be in 1 hour, and that's it. While position traders are actually looking at the big pictures, and it takes a lot more time for them to make profit. However, usually these traders have larger accounts for 6 figures, where making 10% return in 1 year is usually around $10, $20, $50, $90,000. So it's also good. But what type of trading can you do? Any of the 4 is good. Now, before I let you go in this specific video, where can you actually learn Forex? Because yeah, you might be like, okay, so yeah, I like it, I'm interested, but where can I learn some Forex trading? I mean, what is it that I can do? Well, I just want to give you a warm invitation to my BLW Trading Academy, where I'm going to teach you all the basics in regards to Forex. And this is basically including everything, including what are pips. Let me go ahead and show you the topics that I have. These are the basics of trading. So I show you what is day trading, what are pips, Forex fully explained, binary options of Forex, where you should go. And then when we go into the technical and strategy training, I'm going to teach you all the basics. Forex scalping strategy, the day trading Forex strategy, swing trading. Look, at the end of the day, basically what you're going to be looking at in Forex fully explained is what is leverage, what are lots, and how you can actually take profits, stop your losses, what are the pips, what is a strategy, what type of day traders, as you can see, what type of traders, scalping, position trader, and all that you need to know all the way up until the withdrawal process. So if you want to get this training, it's only $99 one time of a lifetime. And you will be able to actually learn something that it could make you rich if you apply it properly. And it's basically what I personally use in order to make money with Forex. So the link is in the description, as well as blwtradingacademy.com. Hey, so thank you very much for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And if you did, make sure you smash the like button to support this YouTube channel. But more importantly, if you have any questions or comments to share, make sure you leave them in the comment section below, and my team will be happy to reply to you. And more importantly as well, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel and you want to see more videos just like this one, hit that subscribe button below. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.